Ever wondered how professionals turn raw map data into interactive web maps that anyone can access online? The secret is simpler than you think. It's called GeoServer, and today, I'll show you exactly how to set it up and get your first map service running in just minutes. In a world built on data, geospatial information is everywhere, from disaster response and urban planning to delivery apps. But to make that data useful, you need a way to share it efficiently. That's where GeoServer comes in. An open-source server that transforms your spatial data into live web services, usable by tools like QGIS, Leaflet, or even your custom web app. Let's walk through how you can set up GeoServer on your system. Step 1. Install Java JDK. It's what GeoServer runs on. You can download it from Oracle's site and verify it with Java version. Step 2. Head to geoserver.org/download. Download the Windows installer or zip version and extract it. Step 3. Run GeoServer, either automatically from the installer or manually with startup.bat. Once it's running, open your browser, localhost, GeoServer. Default username, admin.password, GeoServer. From here, you can publish your first dataset, whether it's from PostGIS, a Shapefile, or a GeoTIFF. Then connect it to your web map using a simple WMS URL, like the one shown on screen. Once GeoServer is up, you're no longer limited to static maps. You can integrate live geodata into dashboards, web apps, or even disaster response systems, all powered by your own server. It's the same technology used in city planning, climate research, and open data portals worldwide. The takeaways? With the right setup and a bit of patience, open-source tools like GeoServer put professional GIS power in your hands. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials on GIS.